Hello friends, welcome to my channel Game of Trades. Today is 11th of January 2018 and I will be analyzing GSFC. This is one of the query in my WhatsApp group. First is the disclaimer. Whatever information you are viewing through this YouTube channel is only for educational purpose and any trade that you wish to take upon based on suggestions made here is only your responsibility and I can't be held legally responsible for your profit or loss. So GSFC, this has been on the bull run. So here it made a high, then it retraced. Again it went up higher than the previous high. Then it consolidated here a bit and then finally decided to come down. Then again it made a high and this high was in line with this trend line which could have been drawn by joining the first swing high and the second swing high. Here it found a resistance, then it came down. Now, when the fourth time it reached there, you see here a big spinning top was created. Basically the candle is big, the body is small, and the shadows are big. So here it failed actually, and then we had a big red candle, and then finally it gathered the strength, and finally it has broken up. So this has given a breakout above this trend line on the monthly chart. This is bullish. If you see the momentum here, while it was trying to break out above this level, RSI was saying, it was screaming that yes, I have strength and I can break it, and that's what it did. Now after it has broken, let's go to daily chart and see what the scenario is. So on daily chart, what should we draw? We'll go back to weekly chart. Okay, so this is weekly chart. In the weekly chart, we see that it is now trading in this range above this, below this trend line and above this trend line. So if you are long on portfolio for GSFC, you can keep a stop loss for portfolio at 130 and then you can simply keep holding it in your portfolio. The first target would be around 175, which should be coming in few months because it has good momentum and possibly we will see GFC going high. So the first target will be 175. There is the strength currently in GSFC, so there is no harm in holding it for portfolio. So that's it guys. If you have any further query, you can ask me in the comment section, and if you want to join my WhatsApp group, then you can ping me on the number provided in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.